Hi everyone, friends. Welcome to Kalevala. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your account without a phone number or email address. To do this, we need to type help up here. Alright, let's get started. Right here we have a button that lets us contact support. So we click it and select the issue here. Then select another problem. Click next, enter, and fill in your details. Alright, then we write the problem here. Simply put, if you don't have either an email address or a phone number, you can't restore the account, only through support. Alright. And you should write as much information as possible about what you had with the account. But you can't write payment information, banking information, or passwords here. That is, write all such more or less public information so support can verify the account belonged to you. So, write something like, "Hi, please help recover my account. I don't have an email or phone number." Yeah, so help me recover the account. I don't have either a number or an email address. Okay, and right here, but I have some information. What I mean is, I have some information. And here, provide information about your account accordingly. What you remember, any specific moments or details that can be linked to your account, where you logged in from, what device you used, and who you wrote to. Right. Then click Submit My Request. After that, you'll get a response to this email address. Well, enter your contact email address here. That's all for now.